You won't. You never saw them before. Everyone stay seated during our cruise. They'll keep your arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the boat. You got kids. Watch out for them. It's a jungle out there. Welcome aboard the world famous jungle cruise, folks. Ooh, take a look at the log right there. See them? According to locals, those are margarine flies. Yeah, they call them that because they can't believe they're not butterflies. Right now we're passing through the Amazon rainforest, everyone. Dare I say, we almost missed it. Apparently I dare. It's held up by those two things. I can't remember what they call them. Oh, now that's a big one. According to locals, that's a Himalayan tiger. They call them Himalayans because normally you'll see Himalayan right there along the water's edge. The other day, somebody said they saw a Himalayan over there. And folks, I've been up and down the river. I've never seen Himalayan anywhere. Yeah. Today we're looking out for Skipper Felix, folks. Brand new skipper. Took off with a bunch of VIPs. We can't find him. We did find the Indian elephant pool. Look at this. You know, they say only elephants bathe here, but that's a crock. Feel free to take photos. They all have their trunks on. Some have their trunks down, though, so don't take a picture of that. That's Bertha. Bertha. She's been in the shower so long and got so many wrinkles. I think she needs to see a pachydermatologist. Oh, that's a baby elephant right there, folks. You know, they're known to grow up to 4 feet, whereas we as humans only grow up to 2. It's true. Oh, don't do it, pal. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. No. But hey, whoa. These people don't want to get wet. Oh my gosh, it worked. So he's coming back up. There'll be a duck back there. Duck back there. No, did you see it? There was a duck back there. Yeah. Straight ahead, you'll see, what, the jungle? Okay, nothing to worry about, folks. It looks like a family of gorillas is taking over Dr. Chinosky's camp. So much like us. She's got a baby and he's got a gun. God! Okay, don't panic. Everything goes just fine. Whoa, they are going bananas. Listen, now we gotta split. Yeah, that was a little dangerous right there, folks. This fellow over here reminds me of my son-in-law. Well, he's always got his hand out. Schweitzer Falls, of course, is named after that famous African explorer, Dr. Albert. Boy, folks, you know, when you're driving a boat, always face forward. Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, we're on the Nile River, and oh my gosh, over here, folks, on the left, that is a rare sight. That's an African bull elephant. Now, locals say they're known for their large tusks, enormous ears, and amazing memory. And I gotta tell you, folks, I wish I had a memory like that. Oh my gosh, would you look over here on the right-hand side? That's a rare sight, huh? That's an African bull elephant. Oh, hey, you know, locals say they're known for their large tusks, enormous ears, and amazing memory. I tell you, I wish I had a memory like that. Well, here we are in the African belt. Oh, look at this. You got zebra, giraffe, the brown things with horns. Oh, those are new. Oh my gosh, look at that, folks. Boy, you don't see that every day. A pride of lions watching over a sleeping zebra. Wow. Yeah, locals say that's how they sleep in the wild, with their neck at that 45-degree angle. How can that be comfortable, huh? Boy, the mysteries of nature, huh? Wow. Skipper Felix! Where's your boat? You know, this morning there were no limbs on that tree. Now there's 20. All the beautiful plants here. Can I point out some of these plants to you? There's one. I like that one there. Boy, the way that just draped. Uh-oh, we're heading into a hippo pool. Hey, it looks like you're in luck, folks. Locals say when they blow bubbles like that and wiggle their ears, that's a sign of affection of a hippo. Now, they're coming to greet us. No, scratch that. They're coming to eat us. What? That's a tricky language. It's got a lot of diphthongs. Cover your ears. Just want to scare him. That's the back of Felix's boat right there. He's going to get a stern talking to. You get it? Just the back of the boat, right? That's called the... Oh my gosh, let's look at the front of the boat. It looks like a bunch of chimpanzees have taken it over. They found a place to crash. The one in the front, though, looks like a skipper. Hey, Skip, you got any jokes? Because the last one tanked. Sorry, folks. You can't say that when it mixed company. The one on top, though, is trying to communicate. See, it says, me Tom. Hey, me Carl. That one on the end right there is just creepy. Wow, they're all over the place. They got the Dr. Chinosky's butterfly collection. Yeah, he's an entomologist. Yeah, bugs me. I don't know what that is. But The one on top right there, we call her a net. And you know butterflies, folks, boy, they're not what they used to be, huh? Caterpillars? Look what's in front of us, though. It's amazing, colossal, the eighth wonder of the world. That's right, it's the backside of water. Oh, yeah, woo indeed. Drink it in. Something to write home about, boy, I'll tell you. Now, just ahead on the left. Sometimes that one takes a while. Over here on the right, this limestone, and locals say a lot of people take that for granite. I know, my sentiments exactly. I could have been bolder with that, right? Folks, you get a little jaded out here after a while. Yeah, they're not all gems. We get them on shale. But I thought that one really rocked. But that's the last one, I promise. Of course, I can continue, but now those are hungry piranha. Yes, and how they got here from Hungary is beyond me. Well, that's a freshwater fish. I mean, how would that get over an ocean? That doesn't make any sense. That's a boa sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then asphyxiation. Well, we round our bend, folks, and we see the red sweater I got Stephanie for Christmas. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now that's a rare sight right there, folks. That's an African bull elephant. Yeah, have you heard about these things? They say they're known for their large tusks, enormous ears, and amazing memory. And I gotta tell you, folks, I wish I had a memory like that. You've done it. You survived the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Give yourselves a round of applause. Give her a girl. That was amazing, entertaining, and you're so handsome in a Jimmy Stewart kind of way. You really think so? 'Cause I don't see it. My mother always says that, though. As we head into our dock, though, remember, keep your arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the boat. Now, you want to stay on your bottom, that's where you got them. You don't want to get anything between the boat and the dock, folks. It's going to cause a lot of peer pressure. Yeah, the punishment's almost over. You guys have a good time? So did I. Thanks for asking. We're almost there, folks. Hey, if you had a good cruise, folks, I'm Skipper Carl, and if not, I'm Skipper Felix. Now, the dock's a little wet, folks, and it's made out of an old wood, so remember, everyone, it's a hickory slipper in your dock. Okay, that was going to be funny. Everybody stand on them.